Hi, first grade music students. This week we're learning about the string family. Right now, you're listening to Vivaldi's Four Seasons called Spring. I thought this was a great song to start with. So the string family has lots of instruments in it, but we're going to learn about 3 string instruments. The first one is the violin. Then this is the acoustic guitar and the string bass. Let's be instrument detectives and think first. What do you think the string instruments are made out of? What do you think you would do to make the vibration or sound on a string instrument? How would you play it? Do the string instruments have different names, shapes, and sizes? Let's find out if you were right. The first string instrument is the violin. The violin is the smallest and highest pitched string family instrument. The violin has 4 strings. To play the violin or make the vibrations, you can pluck it with your finger, or you can use one of these. This is called a bow. Not like a bow in your hair, but this bow, which is often made of either synthetic or horsehair, is pressed against each of the strings, and as it presses, the vibrations occur. This is the violin. Next, we will listen to the guitar. The guitar or acoustic guitar has 6 strings, where the violin only had 4. So the guitar has 2 more strings. The guitar is a little bit larger and held differently in the player's lap. The guitar's 6 strings can be plucked, strummed, or you might have even seen someone use what's called a pick to pluck or strum the guitar instead of using your fingers. Many of my students start learning the guitar using a smaller instrument called the ukulele. The ukulele and guitars all have what's called a sound hole. That hole is where the vibrations come out. The last instrument we're studying is the string bass. The string bass has 4 strings, just like the violin. But I bet you noticed that the bass is way bigger. In fact, when I stand next to a string bass, my head doesn't even reach the top. The string bass is one of the largest string family instruments, and being a large instrument, it has the lowest sound. Remember our rule: the smaller the instrument, the higher the sounds. The bigger the instrument, the lower the sounds. So the string bass is large and has low pitches. The string bass can be played by plucking or bowing with a bow, just like the violin. But the string bass stands tall. It is way too heavy to put under your chin. Those are our 3 instruments. Here's our cool facts review. The instrument family we learned is called the string family. String instruments are mostly made out of wood. To play or make vibrations on the string instruments, you can bow, pluck, or strum. You will have some time now to watch the videos that I had shared with your family. You'll go back to the email and click on each of the YouTube links. You can watch a little bit of each link, or you can listen to the whole piece. I hope you enjoy listening to the string family instruments,